You want to know how to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing? Well, then you are into the right video, because in this video I am going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So if I open up my Instagram here, you will see this messenger icon at the top right. Okay, so this is the new feature of Instagram, that you can actually connect your Instagram messenger to your Facebook messenger. And if you don't see this option here, then there are the three simple steps that you can actually three simple fixes that you can actually follow, and it will get fixed. Okay, so first of all, you need to update your Instagram app. Okay, so you will actually go into the Play Store here, and after going into the Play Store here, you will search for Instagram. And if you see this update option here, okay, you actually need to update your Instagram account. Okay, and then you have to come back and check again if this actually fixes your problem or not. And if still it's not, then you have to actually go into the settings, then apps and notifications, and then open up your Instagram, and then open up the storage. And now you have to clear the cache and clear the storage of your Instagram app. But make sure in mind that if you clear the storage of your Instagram, then your drafts, reels, or your login information will get lost. Okay, you need to log in again, so I recommend you to just clear the cache. And then you need to come back to your Instagram and check if the problem is still there. And if the problem is still there, then you can actually do the last fix, which is you need to tap on your profile image into the bottom right, then tap on these three lines onto the top right, then tap on settings here, then tap on help here, and then tap on report a problem, then tap report problem without shaking, and then include and continue. And then you just need to message the Instagram team that you have updated your Instagram app, but you still missing the new Instagram messenger update in your Instagram app. And they will actually see your message, and the Instagram team will actually contact you back within 1 to 3 days, and they will actually solve this issue for you. So that's it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed our video. You can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions regarding this video here, you can ask from us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.